So Elon's companies have come up with quite an array of merch. Some of it completely off the wall in left field, some of it really fun. I mean, Tesla came out with surfboards, Boring Company came out with flamethrower, scratch that, not a flamethrower. And this is honestly one of like the best things I think I might have ever purchased. Okay, 1, 2, 3. But this is not something you should ever use inside. So SpaceX actually came up with something a little bit smaller, but it is the Starship Torch. And we got one today and we're gonna check it out. So the Starship Torch here, I don't even remember when this originally came out. I think it was like early this year or something. And I saw it, I didn't even ask David. I just went for it and was like, I gotta get me one of these. But we actually have it here. So we're gonna go ahead and open this, check it out. You can see along here, Starship Torch scale 1/200th. And then, ooh, I'm so excited. I haven't even looked at this yet. Ooh, that's shiny. Here we do have the operating instructions though. Holding the torch upside down, push ignition button upwards to ignite. To adjust the flame, slide the flame adjuster wheel to the left. For a stronger flame, slide it to the right. See, always apply the safety lock when not in use. To activate the safety lock, slide the switch to the right until the red dot is visible. Keep item out of reach of children. To refill with butane, you actually twist the nose cone off. Before refilling, be sure to completely purge the tank prior butane. I think it meant to say purge the tank of prior butane. To purge, holding the torch upright, insert the butane. Cool, refill for 10 seconds and let sit for 5 minutes before using. That part sucks. Tighten the nose cone back and rotate until you hear a click. So, I mean, here it is in all its glory. Looks amazing. It's very shiny. It's metal. Hopefully it's metal. Let's see, how do we twist? Oh, we twist it that way. Okay. There's the butane slot right there. That's easy. We got this to control the flame. We want all the way right, but we'll start it in the middle. This to light it. It's got the child switch. Again, they do ship empty. The bottom has this really cool design. I wish it would have had like, what if it would have had like a little burner for everyone? I mean, it would have had to be a lot bigger. But I mean, there we go. There's your Starship Torch. So, I mean, I think we have to. I forgot the instructions already. Oh God, that's not good. Refill torch for 10 seconds and let sit for 5 minutes before using. I heard it takes a lot of butane to fill though. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 for good luck. Okay, so now I guess we'll wait 5 minutes and then we'll come back and play with it. Maybe we'll leave that off so it airs out. I have a feeling that's why you wait 10 or 5 minutes before using, is just to clear the area of any residual butane because you don't want to go kaboom. So see you guys in a few minutes. We have a friend because you should never do flames without friends. Always practice safe flames, I guess we can say. Okay, we're like that. So that's a child lock, so we're not with that. And this is how you control the flame. Oh shit.
I guess it starts right away, huh? Wow, it looks like a little rocket. You should turn the lights down though and you can see like...
Okay, Google, turn off garage lights. I guess we have a little bit of light above us.
That's still fine. It's for mood lighting. But hold that up there, look at that.
Look.
Wow. Wow. Safely.
Here.
Oh yeah, there you go.
Here, wait, let's do this. Low flame, all the way low. Just baby flame. Giant flame. Baby, giant. Oh. Wow, that's cool.
Wow.
Okay, Google, turn on garage lights. So, it wouldn't really be proper without actually making some s'mores with our torch.
Yeah. You could also use these for, well, you can use them with marshmallows, but you could also use them for wieners.
You very well could. So we're gonna see how this works. Don't worry, I already cleaned the tile with alcohol, so we're good there. But I didn't want to like burn the wood here. These marshmallows are
Giant.
giant. I asked for the huge ones and was told those aren't big enough.
Are you gonna do like that? Or is that too much?
I don't know how
chocolate?
you do this,
Well,
to
I mean,
be
or
honest.
is that too much
I haven't done this
chocolate,
since I was a
though?
kid. I think that's too much chocolate.
Okay, so we'll do half.
Well, just grab another bar. Or another one of these. And we'll do two, one for you and one for me. And then we'll put those on after we torch them. I'm gonna torch
so you're
first.
doing the whole thing. Oh yeah. But is that gonna melt the chocolate too? I guess you can't. Oh, it smells like roasted marshmallows.
I mean, this is actually kind of lit. Every kitchen should have one of
A
these.
little bit.
Oh yeah, see what I did there? You see, look,
But is that melting them sufficiently, or does it need the?
I mean, it
guess we're
smells
playing-
like good.
You gotta melt the chocolate a little bit too, I think. Though. Yeah. Oh, there it's on fire.
Oh, shit.
Oh wait, well, then why do we buy these?
Oh.
See, you're supposed to do your marshmallow that way.
Okay, I haven't done this in a really long time. That's my bad.
Oh no.
Oh, I melted the chocolate.
Okay, there
Here,
you
let
go. That's what. See, now you got to do the full marshmallow. Oh,
What was that?
I think that was a. I don't know what that was.
Okay, smush it.
Wait. Okay, take the top. Smells a little. Oh no.
Oh no.
Uh-oh.
Oh no. Oh god. Oh, we screwed
Okay, there you go.
this
There you
up.
go. Oh, we did it.
I mean, okay, I'm not gonna do that with mine. That's gonna be yours. I'm just gonna.
Okay. So maybe we don't need those if you have the control of the Starship Torch.
Yeah, like this should be like in every kitchen. But I think that's gonna be really hot, so we're gonna sit it right here.
Maybe these giant marshmallows are too big.
I think they might be too
Maybe we
big.
just need jumbo instead of giant. I don't know how to pick that up.
Oh my god. Yeah.
It's gonna be too big.
Yeah.
Oh wow, I think it's over melted. Yeah. Oh wow. Oh, and it's sticky.
God.
Oh no, look at the chocolate.
Eat it over that so we don't make a mess in the
I
garage.
don't think.
Oh, no.
Yeah, I think it's gonna be a mess.
Okay, you go first.
We need smaller marshmallows.
Yeah, see, I said huge and was told no, we need giant. And this is where it got us. So you guys can thank Scott for that because I asked for huge. He got giant.
Yeah, this marshmallow's too big. We could probably cut it in half and it would be better.
Oh my god.
And the chocolate, maybe didn't melt the chocolate because the marshmallow would have melted it itself. But yeah, I think most.
I mean, flavor profile, amazing. I highly recommend if you have a Starship Torch, make yourself some s'mores. Did we just turn it into like a mukbang ASMR channel?
I guess.
I'm sorry. I need a paper towel. I can feel chocolate on my face.
No, that's marshmallow.
This is amazing. Every kitchen should have one of these. No?
Just keep it away from the children.
I burned my graham cracker.
It smells.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, that smells like burning. Okay, maybe I shouldn't have one of these, but here we do. Anyway, that's basically it for this one. I just wanted to show you a quick unboxing and use of the cool Starship Torch here from SpaceX. Another one of Elon's company's fun, unique products. I mean, being a rocket company, this makes so much sense. So we absolutely love it. Look at that, thumbs up, and they're chocolate thumbs, so here you go. We're gonna give you that.
Yep.
I think there's some chocolate on the floor. We'll deal with that later. But that's basically it for this one. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Just wanted to give you a quick look at the Starship Torch. They are shipping, so if you ordered in that first batch, you will be getting it soon. The next batch, I think, doesn't ship until early 2024. But definitely recommend if you haven't already and want like a cool, unique gift for somebody. Christmas is coming up. This would be pretty cool. I would love
That
this
would be
in my
neat to find
stocking.
under the tree, yeah.
Or under the tree. Either way.
Or, yeah, okay, yeah.
I would say stocking stuffer? Maybe?
Yeah, it would fit.
It would. But that's basically it. Huge thanks to our channel sponsor, Abstract Ocean. If you're looking to accessorize your Tesla Model SX, 3 or Y, and now Rivian, definitely check them all out. Linked down below, and using code Tesla Inventory will get you 15% off of your first purchase. Hope you enjoyed it though. Thumbs up if you did. Go and click here to subscribe here for some other ones, and we'll see you all in the next one. Bye.